Hey everybody, how you doing? Today we have a special unboxing from a company that makes portable chargers. It's a very famous company. It's called Zendure, and they are actually specialized in fast portable chargers. Now, this in particular can charge output for 40 watts, and that's unheard of nowadays. 40 watts, wow. Uh, there is another version that actually outputs 100 watts, which is crazy. But I don't want to get that because that will actually gonna makes a lot of issues instead of me using it. Might blow up in your face, maybe, I don't know. But this one is like 40 watts, and I can use this to charge the Zephyrus G14 because the USB output can have this supported at the same time. Let's just unbox this box. As you can see, it's a first anniversary limited edition, and I got it from Amazon, United States, cheaper than what we gonna buy it here in Saudi Arabia. For the simple fact, if you go to jewelry bookstore, you're gonna find it for 400, around 429 reals. I got this shipped from United States, taxes with everything, with till I got it in my door for around 380 reals. So that's yeah, fortunately it's expensive here. All right, so let's open up the box. This is, by the way, 20 milliamp batteries. Let me just see. Is there a specs here? No specs at all. No spec. But I believe it's a 20,000 milliamp battery, which is good to charge your laptop to full. And what we have here, we have a pull plug. Is it? I don't know if I'm flipping it over. Is this how to open it? It's funny. Sometimes companies, they drop this weird way to open your boxes, and it seems like it's not this way. You have to go through the other way. Oh, it is actually this way. Okay. Wow, look at this. And what do we have inside here? Whoa. What is this thing going on? That's the special edition. There is, wait a second, there is some metal over here. It's like magnetics. And there are some stickers inside, which is, I don't know why they are here, stuck. I don't know what's going on. I'll do this later. So let's look at the main guy that we have here. It's pretty white, it's a glossy white. Whoa, it's heavy. That's a heavy thing. And this is, as you can see, the special edition with design. Usually comes plain white, plain black. And let's take a look at the spec over here. We have a 20,000 milliamp battery on 74 watts, USB Type C, 5 to 20 volt, 45. Excuse me, I was wrong. It's not it's not 40. It's 45 watts output, which is crazy. Okay. That's through USB Type C. And we have that 2.4, and it has Zim Plus, which is 12, total of 12 watts per port, as you can see. And also the input itself. There's input, and input also can charge faster as well. So it charges fast, and it discharges also very, very fast. Here, as you can see, the port. This is the PD hub for the laptop. And we have the Zen 2 Plus, Zen 2 Plus 2.0, and Zen 2, which is fast charging. This is really great, man. So we're gonna try it in the laptop and out of some smartphones and see how it looks like. What is the? This is, I think it seems like plastic or glass, but it looks heavy. Looks very rigid. What is this? This is the power. Yeah, this is the power. So you click on this. How do I know the meters that we have? How much I do have so far? I'm holding it right now. And I think there is a screen over here that shows the number. Let me just hold it and wait for a little bit. Maybe there is no charging at all. I need to charge it, right? Okay, I need to charge that thing. Anyways, what else we have in here in the box? We have this signature here. Maybe this is the CEO signature. And we have USB Type C to USB, fast charging, as you can see. And this is actually a plug. I believe it's a plug, right? It's supposed to be plug. Let me just open it. It's like dual channels. this is what I mean. Like from USB Type-C you should have another USB Type-C, but you can also do this. That's a dual channel. Like just plug it here at the same time, so you won't lose it, which is a very, very smart move. Nice, I like it. Okay, so what else we have? So we have Zendure Business. What's a Zendure Business? Some stickers and style or video, whatever. Who cares about this stuff? Manual. That's it, guys. We don't have a charging brick. You just get the USB Type-C plug, and you have to find it like a fast charger, you know. But this is it, guys. We're gonna charge it up and try it for the Zephyrus G14, see how fast it charges it from 0 to 100. And yeah, if you have any question regarding this beautiful little portable charger, let me know in the comment section below. Take care and see you guys later.